Why do people fall apart when a relationship ends? Because something in them knows, even if they cannot explain it, that it was never just emotional. It was never just about time spent or shared experiences. In every serious relationship, a spiritual structure is created. It is not metaphorical. It is a real inner system that begins to merge with the other. A person in love unites their energetic field with the partner, and the mind begins to perceive the other as an extension of the self. Once emotional closeness is established, a new internal configuration is formed, one that includes both individuals. The identity shifts, it becomes plural. In Kabbalah, this merging is not accidental. It is considered a partial return to a higher form of existence. Before separation, before ego, before fragmentation, there was one unified consciousness. When a couple loves, they break their separation and temporarily return to that structure of unity. This is why love feels transcendent, because it is. So when it ends, it does not simply end. It collapses. And what collapses is not only a relationship, but the internal spiritual structure. When it breaks, the person feels it as internal disintegration. It is called heartbreak, but it is not emotional only. It is structural. This is why the grief feels disproportionate, why logic does not solve it, why even intelligent people lose control, because the collapse is not psychological, it is energetic. Kabbalah does not treat this as symbolic suffering, it treats it as spiritual trauma, which is why the solution is not distraction, time, or new advice. The solution is precise, energetic restoration, to rebuild what collapsed inside the person. Only after the internal system is rebuilt can a person see clearly. With true energetic work, the person becomes stable, lucid, and whole again. Not only on an emotional level, but on a complete spiritual level.